another video of BullancePrime. From this video we are going to starting a trading tutorial series which is about a candlestick pattern. So in this video we will learn this in briefing the details what is candlestick pattern. So candlestick pattern is basically a crucial tools to technical analysis, offering visual and the depiction of the price movement financial market, and each candle represent can high, low and close prices and forming pattern like. So a lot of candlestick pattern in the market have, so we'll talk only the most popular candlestick pattern which is mostly formed in the trading chart. And the candlestick pattern you can see in the whatever you are using, like crypto trading, forex and stock trading, wherever you're using, so everywhere you can see this the same candlestick pattern. So let's see some of the most popular candlestick pattern, which is first is hammer, and we can see the inverse hammer, bullish engulfing, pressing line, morning star, three white shoulder, and hanging man, shooting star, bearish engulfing, evening star, three black cross, and dark cloud cover, doji, which is basically the thing. Doji is the most important also, and then the spinning top, the falling three methods and rising three methods. So we can see this, so a lot of things. So we'll explain this each of this method in video part of their part one by one, and I will try to make this each of the video is very shortly, so you will not get bored to learn about this. So if you want to start this learning from here, so you can subscribe our channel and press the video the like button, also press the subscriber bell icon so that you will never miss